Conrad ke sangmau bade umitrang ba ka jala halo ka jingshlei hakibenta ba per jong ka dilum Garo kapalon ra ru ya ka jingdu ikimen siam ba kodor ulong ba kalong sisa ka bajor bat kabala isher kai ba umitrang ba ulai thu ba ki jaka ki bala sakta hakani ka jingshlei kapalon ra ya ka jingtuwa ki khando bat ru ya ki yingbrio ka dei ha South West Garo Hills bat South Garo Hills district ki bade ki jaka ki bala sakta jor ba hakani ka jingshlei halo kani ka jingja na kaliang mutrang ba ula pentep bala sai ka si ka spau turip jiliu un hiar hi sharilom Garo banlit pe hi dala die ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka te ka than.
The flood situation is quite serious, and the water levels are rising. The rain also is continuing there. Our administration, in fact, has been put on full alert, and the deputy commissioners, especially in Southwest Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, they are continuously moving. Even in South Garo Hills, they're continuously moving. I just spoke to two of the deputy commissioners about 2-3 hours back, and they are right now in the field. As you know that there were 3 lives that were lost due to landslides, and the respective deputy commissioners have been instructed to release the ex gratia amount immediately, and at the same time to go and visit the different houses and different areas that have been affected. So we are, as a government and as administration, we are keeping a watch on it closely. But of course, these are natural calamities, and it's not something we can do to stop it. But we have to ensure that minimum inconvenience is caused to the people, and whatever support that is required, full support will be given by the government and by the administration. You see, there are a lot of areas where when the rains come, a lot of villages get disconnected because there's a rise in the water level, and children and farmers and others are not able to cross the river, and even if they have to, it's quite dangerous for them. And Meghalaya being a place where the rains are very heavy, as you all know, we receive approximately 63 billion cubic meters of water, a year. There's a lot of water, and therefore all of this flows into the rivers and streams. So with that in mind, we realize that a lot of people go through a lot of challenges. So we have decided that we are now going to start working towards building, and many places have done it, but now it's going to be a mission mode, where we intend to saturate and ensure that connectivity to all these kind of villages where the people have to cross the river needs to be done. We need to saturate and get all of them access in whatever way possible by having suspension bridges or crossways, whatever connectivity that can be given, but that needs to be done. And for that, we have decided that we're going to move. We may not be able to complete all of them in 1 year, but we are hopeful that from a policy perspective, that in 5 years' time, this saturation must take place. And in order to move and head start on that, we've decided that at least anything between 50 to 100 locations will be taken up this year itself.